Hi everybody, welcome back to What's in the Box. So this is a bit of an extension of some things we've already talked about. We discussed what was in the box for an Evinrude Johnson water pump kit for a $515.94 and a $515.95. And I mentioned in both those videos there was very little difference between the two. So we're going to take a look at that. So these pump kits fit a really long range of Johnson Evinrude product that's V4 and V6 engines for nearly 30 years, possibly more. Not all the engines, of course, but a huge chunk of them. And so when you're determining what you need, you can visit bargainboater.com and look at our reference charts. It will tell you what one belongs in your engine. But if you happen to have a pump on the shelf and for some reason you need to identify what the difference is, let's talk about that. So the impeller in both these kits is exactly the same. It's a $515.93. The base plate, gasket, screws, moly lube, D-ring or spaghetti seal, medium O-ring and large O-ring, seal for the water pump shaft, for the water shaft or the water tube, the riser, those are all exactly the same, not a lick of difference. Where we start to see a difference is in the primary difference is in our housing. They look exactly the same to the naked eye. You would not notice the difference unless you're looking for it. And the difference happens to be on this one. This is our $515.94. There's a teeny weeny bleed hole here in the housing. I'm going to turn the housing over so you can see it. It's also visible right here. What that does is it allows the exact same water pump kit with the exact same water flow to blow off a little bit of pressure so that the pressure going to the power head is slightly lower and meets that engine's needs better. This isn't a choice that you make whether you think that it needs more or less water flow. It is a specification from your Evinrude Johnson manufacturer for your engine. Again, you can visit bargainboater.com and check out the charts that we've created for you to help you figure out which one you need. But if you're in your engine and you're looking around and you want to know which one you've got, that's the tell. In addition to that, there are a few bits and pieces that are different. In the $515.95 kit, you'll have a couple of seals over here and risers that are different. This is because the $515.95 kit can be a V4 or V6 25 or 20-inch engine, and the riser comes into play for the longer engine or not. The $515.94 kit traditionally fits 20-inch engines. There may be one or two 25-inch, but traditionally not the case. It does not come with the risers, and it comes with a few less seals. So that's the difference between the $515.95 and the $515.94 water pump kit, and we appreciate you visiting us. We hope you stop by bargainboater.com to purchase one of these awesome OEM kits, or visit us at YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram. Thanks for stopping by.